Good morning, class. Hope you all are fine. Okay. Today we are going to start reading of chapter number 5 from page number 49. Let's know more. The animation painter option in the advanced animation group copies the animation from one object and applies it to another. So basically, animation painter copies the animation effects of one object to another object with a single click of mouse on each new object. So how will you use the animation painter? Firstly, select the object with which the animation you like. So जिस भी object के आप animation को like करते हो, आप उसे दोबारा किसी और object पे लगाना चाहते हो, select that object and then click on animation painter option in the advanced animation group and then select the target object on which the animation is to be applied. उसके बाद आप target object select करो जिसके ऊपर आपने वो animation apply करनी है. So firstly select the object with the animation you like. Next click on the animation painter option and then select the target object on which the animation is to be applied. You can also apply the animation objects to multiple objects, animation effects to multiple objects by double clicking on the animation painter. So you can also apply the animation effects to multiple objects by double clicking on the animation effects. If you want to remove the animation effects, then click on the object and select none option in the animations group. So you can also remove the animation effect. Simply click on the object and then select none option in the animations group. Know the fact, when we insert any sound, a speaker icon appears in the middle of the slide. So when you insert sound in a slide, then a speaker icon appears in the middle of the slide. This is the speaker icon. We can resize this icon and move it to other part of the slide. So it appears in the middle of the slide, but you can also resize this icon as well as you can move it to other part of the slide as well. Know the fact, the recorded sound files are assigned the extension .wav. So the sound files that are recorded with the help of microphone are assigned the extension .wav. Quick view. To make a duplicate of the current slide, press Ctrl plus D combination. If you create a slide and you want the duplicate copy of that particular slide, simply press Ctrl plus D combination and duplicate copy of the current slide will be created. Next is inserting video clips. So video clips are short clips of video or a movie. Video clips add liveliness to the presentation. PowerPoint allows you to insert a video onto a slide and play it during your presentation. This is a wonderful feature to make your presentation more engaging for the audience. So Microsoft PowerPoint allows you to insert a video onto a slide and play it during your presentation. Presentation के दौरान आप उस video clip को play भी कर सकते हो and it is a wonderful feature जिसके द्वारा आप अपनी presentation को more engaging to the audience को more उसमें interact कर सकते हो. Audience को वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी लगेगी because it contain liveliness. It make your presentation more engaging, more interesting, more appealing to the audience and they are click to your presentation. Select the Insert tab. Firstly, select the Insert tab, then click on the Video drop-down arrow in the Media group and select the Video on my PC option. Insert tab, Video drop-down arrow and then select the Video on my PC option from the Media group. The Insert Video dialog box appears on the screen. Locate and select the desired video file and then click on the Insert option. From the Insert Video dialog box, locate your desired video file and select it and then click on Insert option. The Format and Playback tabs appear under the Video Tools tab on the ribbon. So when you insert a video, then Format and Playback tabs appear under the Video Tools tab on the ribbon. So you can format the inserted video by clicking on the Format tab and selecting various formatting options from it. And if you want to format the video that you had inserted in the slide, then you can format it by clicking on the formatting tab and select various formatting options from it. Click on the play button present either below the video clip or at the extreme left of the ribbon. So you can click on play button that is present either below the video clip के नीचे होगा play button or at the extreme left of the ribbon के extreme left side पे आपका play button होगा. You can press it to play the video. The video start playing. The timeline next to the play button will begin to advance. The timeline, this is a timeline that is next to the play button. It advances as the video begin to play. Click anywhere on the timeline to jump to any part of the video. And if you are at the starting and you jump to the middle or you jump to the last part of the video, you can use click anywhere in between on the timeline to move to any part of the video. Tips: in PowerPoint 2016, you can also embed videos from websites like www.youtube.com into your presentation. So if you are making presentation in PowerPoint 2016, then you can include videos from the websites as well, such as www.youtube.com into your presentation. You can resize the video by clicking and dragging the corner seizing handles until the video is of the desired size. You can resize the video. आप वीडियो को छोटी भी कर सकते हो, बड़ी भी कर सकते हो by clicking and dragging the corner seizing handles until the video is of the desired size. जब तक आपका desired size नहीं आ जाता वीडियो, जितनी आपको वीडियो चाहिए, तब तक आप उस corner seizing handles को क्लिक कर सकते हो और ड्रैग कर सकते हो. To delete a video, select it and then press either the backspace or delete key. If you want to delete the video, then press either the backspace key or the delete key in order to delete the video. Next is using action buttons. In PowerPoint, we have the facility to link to a web page, email address, file, slide in the same presentation or in a different presentation. This can be done using hyperlinks and action buttons. So with the help of hyperlinks and action buttons, we can link to a web page, email address, file, slide in the same presentation as well as the slide in a different presentation. Action buttons are built-in shapes which you can add to a presentation and set a link to another slide. So action buttons are built-in shapes that you can add to a presentation and set a link to another slide, जिसके थ्रू आप किसी दूसरी स्लाइड में लिंक क्रिएट कर सकते हो, कोई साउंड प्ले कर सकते हो और परफॉर्म सम अदर एक्शन. You can also assign actions to clip art, pictures or the text in smart art graphic. So you can also assign the actions to clip art, graphics, pictures or text in the smart art graphics as well. When one clicks or hovers the mouse pointer on the button, the selected action will occur. So when you click on the button और you hover the mouse pointer on the button, the selected action, जो भी action आपने choose किया है उस action button के लिए वो occur हो जाएगा, वो perform हो जाएगा. So basically action buttons lets you navigate quickly and efficiently within a slideshow. It can also be used to activate hyperlinks, letting you jump outside of the website to visit useful web pages. Following are the steps that need to be followed in order to apply the action button. Open an existing presentation, select the Insert tab and click on the Shapes command in the Illustrations group. Select the desired action button from the Action Buttons category present at the bottom of the displayed list in the drop-down menu. Firstly, open an existing presentation and then select the Insert tab. Then click on Shapes command in the Illustrations group and then select the desired action button from the Action Buttons category. For example, click on Action button, go to End option. The mouse pointer will changes into plus shape. See here, firstly Insert tab, then Shapes command and then Action buttons. Choose Go to End option, then the mouse pointer changes into plus shape. Click and drag the mouse diagonally. As soon as the mouse pointer is released, the Action Settings dialog box will appear containing two tabs, namely Mouse Click and Mouse Over. So after selecting an action button, click and drag the mouse diagonally एज सुन एज द माउस इज रिलीज, जब आप माउस को रिलीज कर दोगे एक्शन बटन आपका इंक्लूड हो जाएगा एंड एक्शन सेटिंग्स डायलॉग बॉक्स विल अपीयर दैट कंटेन 2 tabs, namely mouse click and mouse over. By default, mouse click is activated. Mouse click tab makes the action button perform its action only when it is clicked. Mouse tab जो है वो by default activated होता है and mouse click tab क्या करता है, it make the action button perform its action. अपना action perform करने के लिए तभी करेगा वो एक्शन परफॉर्म जब आप उसको क्लिक करोगे. वेयर एज द माउस ओवर टैब विल मेक द एक्शन बटन परफॉर्म इट्स एक्शन व्हेन यू मूव द माउस ओवर इट. एंड माउस ओवर टैब क्या है, आपका एक्शन बटन तभी एक्शन परफॉर्म करेगा जब आप अपना माउस उसके ऊपर मूव करोगे, और माउस क्लिक जब आप माउस को क्लिक करोगे तभी वो एक्शन बटन अपना एक्शन परफॉर्म करेगा. डिफरेंस क्लियर बिटवीन माउस क्लिक एंड माउस ओवर. माउस क्लिक, here action button perform its action only when it is clicked, and mouse over, here action button will perform its action when you move the mouse pointer over it. In the action on click section of mouse click tab, action on click section of the mouse click tab, select hyperlink to radio button. This is the hyperlink to radio button, and then click on the drop down arrow and choose any option from the menu. For example, previous slide, next slide, first slide, last slide. To link to a file created in another program, click on other file from the hyper to list. So, in the action on click section of the mouse click tab, hyperlink to radio button and then click on the drop down arrow and choose any action from here. But if you want to link to a file that is created in another program, then you have to choose here other file from the hyperlink to drop down options. Select the play sound checkbox if you want a sound to play when action button is clicked. जब आपका action button click होगा, अगर आप चाहते हो कोई sound play हो, so click on this checkbox and choose any sound either from the drop down menu or select other sound option. To use a sound file present on your computer, click on OK. So if you want to choose a file, sound file from the drop down menu, जब आप यहाँ पे sound file पे click करोगे, drop down menu appear होगा, choose the sound that is available. Or if you want to choose other sound file, you want to use the sound file that is present on your computer, then click on other sound option. Then you can use the sound file that is present on your computer and then click on OK. Now press F5 to view the slideshow. Then click on the action button during the slideshow and observe the action. जब आपका action button add हो जाए, आपने settings कर ली हैं, then click on F5 to view the slideshow of the presentation and then click on the action button. जो भी action button आपने include किया है उसके ऊपर click करो और जो आपने action उसका apply किया है, it will perform the action. So firstly open the presentation and then from the insert tab, shapes command in the illustration group and then choose the action button category and choose the desired action button that you want to use in your presentation and then click and drag the mouse diagonally on the slide. When you release the mouse button, then action setting dialog box will appear that contain 2 tabs, mouse click and mouse over. Mouse by default mouse click is selected and it is used to make the action button perform its action only when it is clicked, when the mouse is clicked. Or mouse over tab, when you move the mouse over the action button, only then it will perform the action. In the action on click section, select the hyperlink to radio button and then choose the appropriate action that you want to perform. If you want to link to a file that is created in other program, then choose here other file option and choose the particular file. And then if you want to play a sound when the action button is clicked, then click on play sound checkbox and choose the sound that is available from the displayed list. Or if you want to use the sound file that is present on your computer, then choose other file or other sound option from this options and then press the F5 key to view the slideshow and you can click on the action button that you had inserted in the slide and view the action that you had applied on that particular action button. PowerPoint 2013 In PowerPoint 2013, you can apply transition effects and animation effects using the transitions and animation tab in the same way as you do in PowerPoint 2016. अगर आप PowerPoint 2013 यूज कर रहे हो तो आप ट्रांसिशन इफेक्ट और एनिमेशन इफेक्ट कहाँ से यूज कर सकते हो, एनिमेशन टैब और ट्रांसिशन टैब्स में सेम वे, जो वे आपने PowerPoint 2016 में यूज किया एनिमेशन इफेक्ट्स अप्लाई करने के लिए, यहाँ ट्रांसिशन इफेक्ट अप्लाई करने के लिए, सेम वे आप 2013 में भी यूज कर सकते हो. Next is quick view. The shortcut to open Microsoft PowerPoint is window key plus R key. You have to press window key plus R key. Then the run box appears. Here type in PowerPoint and then press the enter key. Microsoft PowerPoint will open. This is the shortcut to open Microsoft PowerPoint. Press window key plus R key. The run box will appear and then type PowerPoint and press the enter key. PowerPoint will open on the screen.